OpenGL is powerful, but let's be honest, the API is ugly. Writing glBindBuffer for the thousandth time isn't just boring. It's a recipe for memory leaks and bugs that are a nightmare to debug. If you want to move past the Hello Triangle stage and actually build a game, you need to abstract. But how do you do it without over-engineering the whole thing? Today, we're creating a lightweight vertex buffer abstraction that follows modern RAII principles. Clean code, zero overhead, maximum performance. Let's get into it. This is more of a design problem than a code problem. The code is pretty easy. It's the design that we care about. We're going to follow the separation of concerns approach. We want to keep the buffer data separate from its layout. That way, it's far more reusable. So in this video, we're only really concerned with these 4 lines of code. We'll take care of the layout in a separate video. Let's create the VertexBuffer class. In the VertexBuffer class, we'll create a private variable for storing the buffer ID. We'll create a public constructor and a public destructor. We'll also create 2 public functions for binding and unbinding this vertex buffer. In the constructor, we'll call glGenBuffers. Then we'll call glBindBuffer. Next, we'll finally call glBufferData. In the destructor, we'll call glDeleteBuffers. In the bind function, we'll call glBindBuffer. In the unbind function, we'll call glBindBuffer, but we'll pass 0 as the buffer. Let's head into main.cpp. First, let's include VertexBuffer.each. For now, let's comment these lines. Let's compile and run our code. Great, we get a red triangle, same as before, except now our code is much cleaner. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.